Mmm. Mmm. What? I eat lemons. You can have it. You can have it. I said, what?
I think they want my lemon. Want the other one? All right. 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. And then you add enough milk to that to make a 1/4 cup. Put that aside. Then we're going to separate some eggs. You want the egg whites in a large enough bowl because you're going to beat them until they have nice peaks. But don't throw away your egg yolks because you're going to need those for the recipe also.
You know that lemons are actually not made natural. They crossbreed lemons.
You learned something new from my son today. Actually, while I'm doing that, I'm also going to cream together in my stand mixer. So I'll use my beater for the egg whites, and I'll use my stand mixer for creaming together my butter. So 1 stick of butter with 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to get that creaming. I'm going to get that creaming while I get these egg whites to nice peaks. All right. My butter is just about done creaming. I've got my oven yelling at me because I have my sourdough cooking in there. So I'm going to take the lid off my sourdough. So I'm mixing videos right now. So I took my egg whites. My peaked egg whites. I put them to the side. I'm waiting for my butter to finish creaming. And then to that mixture, I'm going to add the 2 egg yolks and the milk mixture. I'm going to mix that together. I'm going to weigh out 245 grams of flour, which is equivalent to about 2 cups, but I like to weigh it, especially for recipes like this, or otherwise they can be too floury. All right, my baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And did you know, which I did not know, because this is learning as I go with Andra, that they actually have little measuring spoons. This one says a tad is a 1/4 teaspoon. A drop is a 64th. A smidget, a pinch. So I am actually going to measure out a pinch of salt just because I can. And it's kind of funny. I think it's kind of cute when I found these. I always do a little bit more. Just kind of, a little bit more never hurt anybody, right? You can give that a little whisk. All right, I'm going to slowly mix this into my butter mixture. And in the same bowl that I use, see, my bananas look pretty nasty. So I'm going to add 4 bananas. They're a little bit on the smaller side, so I think I'm going to add all 4. So it's about 100 grams per banana. So about 400 grams of banana. I didn't weigh that first one, so we're guessing. And I'm going to give those a squish. I'm just going to use a fork, but you can use a potato masher or a mixer, whatever your little heart desires. Now when I make banana bread and banana nut muffins or banana muffins, I keep kind of a little bit chunky pieces into my bananas. For this one, I think I'm going to mush it up just a little bit better. We're going to add this to our flour butter mixture into our mixer here. Now you're going to take your egg whites that you beat to peaks, and you're going to fold that in. Just like, I don't know if you can see that. Just kind of plopped in there. So we're just going to gently fold that in. I'm using the large cupcake pans, and I line them with my paper liners. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to fill my liners. Now your oven should be preheated to 375. My son says we should pop some blueberries, so I'm going to experiment, and I'm going to pop a couple in, just kind of push them down just a little bit. And we'll see how they turn out. I'll make 3 of them like that. All right, my oven is preheated to 375. I'm going to pop these bad boys in. But I will let you know the time after they're done, and I'll let you know approximately what it was, at least for my oven. It has been 22 minutes, and I just did a toothpick test. They look amazing. They smell amazing. Here they are. I will have a taste test with my kids after they cool, so in about 20 minutes. But I'm going to make up some cream cheese frosting, and I'm going to frost them. All right, my son is anxious to do the taste test. This is our cupcakes, all frosted. This is my cream cheese frosting on here. I'll give him the first bite. Thumbs up. Let's give it a try. That's good. If you don't like cream cheese frosting, there's always a million other frostings that you can use, but this is very good if you're looking for a cupcake, but yet a little bit of banana kick, kind of like a banana muffin. It just takes it over the top. Enjoy.